Boys, I just copped a new whip. I'm about to surprise Josh with it. I'm coming to his house now. I'm driving so slowly so he doesn't hear it.
Oh, that's beautiful. I knew you had it. This is Fast and Furious shit. Fucking V8 turbo.
Early the next morning.
Fuck off, cunt. Crispy.
It's got a decent grip on it. Oh, shit. Wait, should we do slong reviews? The white slong?
Nah, the black song's probably the best.
Whipping on the 650 in Crocs, bro. Boys, we're going up to my old little shed. We used to go there when we were younger, a little S shed, if you know what I'm saying. We were back in the day. Now we're gonna go clean it up and it's gonna be like the new filming. You're right, bro. the new filming spot for the boys.
Alright.
Brilliant bad ideas. Basically, what really bad ideas is, once a week, we're going to choose one of the ideas out of here that you guys commented on TikTok, and we're going to have to do it. Some of them are fucked. Boys, we got number 20. That's all of them for now. So we don't have enough comments, so that's why you guys need to drop more comments. 7. Nerf or nothing.
Oh! So we got that Nerf gun and Nerf darts.
We just need what are they called? We need thumbtacks. We got our fucking thumbtacks as well.
Time to make the darts that are gonna go into my body. I'm just putting a little bit of glue on the top.
Bruh.
Damn.
Look at them. This is the spinning wheel of death. Basically, you guys know what's gonna happen. Whichever one it goes in, he's gonna get shot with the little darts he made. It goes in arms, chest, legs, back, nuts, or arse.
Gotcha, bitch!
That's alright, that's better than nuts.
Fuck, I need a helmet, bro.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Bro, where'd you just shoot me?
That hit him in the trap, bro.
Bro! What the fuck?
Bro!
You dickhead!
Oh, rapid fire is OP! 887.
Bro, I got the high score on this machine.
High scores and that? Wait, let me give us a gaze.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Get down! Boys, we're playing fucking basketball. We get 3 shots each, same as golf. Whoever gets the least shots in has to do a fucked up thing afterwards.
First
I
shot.
forgot how fucked this is gonna be if we don't get it.
Yeah.
I forgot this is actually important. Oh, fucked it in.
You're trash, kid.
Surely. This is my calling, bro. Surely. Oh, bro. Go. Surely. Bro,
I've already lost.
You lost.
So, I lost.
Bro's got your package, fam. You can have a look. You can't. I'll get your reactions. Don't take him out. I'll.
Alright boys, so basically, Josh just done all this. I haven't seen anything in the bag yet and you've seen my live reaction. Oh no, that's dog food. I don't even have to order it.
It's not dog food.
Minestrone!
Fucking minestrone. Some of my noodles minestrone. That's what you have to mix it with.
What the fuck even is that?
It's soy milk.
Is there anything else?
Yep.
More garden vegetables. What the fuck?
And that was just to make it.
Like, fucking keep that.
No, you're putting that in there.
But it's protein.
No, you're putting that in there.
Oh, fuck it. At least we get some protein. 10 Gs.
10 G's of protein.
Bro, why is bro strapped? This is actually disgusting, bro. Oh, bro. Oh.
That's enough of that. Drink it up.
Milk. What the fuck are you doing, cunt? That's minestrone? Yeah, it's my dinner, bro. I have to drink that right now. What are your thoughts on this, mate? Malfunctioning, brother. That looks good. I'm excited. Bottoms up.
Nah. Nah.
That shit busted.
It's buzzing.
That shit.
What do you think about that?
So many flavors at once. Flavors are melting off my tongue. Alright, just had my fucking minestrone soup. Just scruffity.
Man got minestrone in his teeth.
It tasted cheddars and fucking I feel sick, but that's what you gotta do for brilliant bad ideas. Oh, wait, was that even from Brilliant Bad Ideas?
That was your idea.
What was that my idea?
It was a bad idea. Just a bad, not brilliant, just bad.
Yeah. Comment in this video more brilliant bad ideas that we can put in the jar.
Every video, comment more brilliant bad ideas.
Straight up. Because we only have like 20 at the moment. Same.
Is this going to be at the end of the video?
I reckon.
Like and subscribe.
Okay.
Put post notifications on. We post every Thursday.
Ding dong. Usually
Ding dong.
usually at 3. You know what I'm saying, boys?
Bye, bitch ass. Latest bitch ass. Man's got dice in the back and that.
Who wants to be king? Menacing methods label me a lethal weapon, making niggas die, witnessing breathless imperfections. Can you picture my